Hi, my name is Carlos Urbiola, and this is my introduction about climate change and how to model trigonometric functions. A big ignorance exists about what is climate change. It is necessary to clarify two concepts that are related: climate change and global warming. Exists a difference between those. Global warming is the cause of climate change, the increase of temperature caused by the gases emissions to the atmosphere derived from the human activity is causing variations in the climate and that actually cause a lot of damage to the ecosystem. For modeling trigonometric functions, we need to have a problem and a data. Then with that data we need to make a scatter plot. We need to find a function that models the information respect another information of the data. But in case of having a preset function, we only need to find all the points to graph.
My name is Carlos Velasquez and this is a picture of the data table.
And my name is Eduardo.
And we are going to explain how to model
The data from the table.
The first thing we need to do is to create a table without the values, and next we are going to make visible the points of the table in the graph. The next thing we need to do is to check the maximum value and the minimum value of the points of the graph so we can start modeling our problem.
So what we need to do next is the maximum value and the minimum value of the y-axis, we need to add them and then multiply by 1/2. So the result is gonna give us 63.58, and this result represents the letter B, that is the vertical shift. So our graphic will see like this. Next we need to calculate the amplitude. So in this process we need to have the maximum value and the minimum value of the y-axis, but in this case we need to subtract each other and then multiply by 1/2. So the result is gonna give us 19.65. This number we need to put in minus 19.65 because remember that we have a cosine curve but in negative. What we need to do to get the period is the maximum value of the x-axis minus the minimum value of the x-axis. This multiplied by 2, and the result we need to divide 2p over the result we get from the other result. So the graph will see like this. The only thing that we are missing is the phase shift. But this phase shift we put -1. Why -1? Because 1 is the first number where all our data is start from, and minus because remember that when you have a positive graph you need to put the opposite sign. So our last graph looks like this, and the final equation is this one.